There is a powerful automation tool that most people still don't know exists to streamline their daily messaging workflow. To get started, head over to the Play Store and download the TCT app. Once installed, simply grab your secure session ID from the official TCT website. I will leave link for the website in the description box. Once here, click on Get the Session ID and complete the process as shown. After that, the session ID will be sent in your WhatsApp. Copy it. Now open the app's configuration section and paste it into the designated box. When you're ready, just jump back to the main dashboard and hit Start. That's it, your messaging is now officially running on a high automation engine, saving you time and keeping your conversations perfectly organized. If you want to see exactly how to master these tools and get the most out of every feature displayed on screen right now, make sure to check out my full walkthroughs on the channel. It's time to stop managing your messages manually and let TCT do the heavy lifting for you.